When most folks on the range start debating stopping power, their minds usually drift toward tactical rifles or slug guns. But let me throw you a curveball that might bruise your shoulder just thinking about it. We are talking about wheelguns that bring enough kinetic energy to rival, and in some cases, completely embarrass standard rifle cartridges. These aren't your pocket carry Saturday night specials. These are precision-engineered machines, built to handle pressures that would turn a lesser firearm into a hand grenade. We are looking at cartridges designed to drop dangerous game in its tracks, or punch through barriers like they are made of wet cardboard. Tonight, we are stepping into the heavy hitter arena. This is where the revolver stops being a backup and starts being the main event. We are talking about overwhelming force, packed into a platform you can wear on your belt. Colt Anaconda. First up on the bench, we have the return of the king, the Colt Anaconda. This does not just keep the snake gun legacy alive, it completely revitalizes it for the modern shooter. Now, with a price tag sitting right around $1,500, this is not exactly an impulse buy. This is a statement piece for the enthusiast who wants that classic Colt performance. Built on the beefed-up I-frame, this thing is solid stainless steel, machined with the kind of tight tolerances that scream American quality. Chambered in the legendary .44 Magnum, the Anaconda pushes a 240-grain slug at roughly 1,280 feet per second. You are looking at over 740 foot-pounds of energy at the muzzle. That is enough thump to anchor a grizzly bear, or turn an engine block into a sieve. The 6-inch barrel is really the sweet spot here. It gives you enough burn time to get good velocity, but it is still short enough to clear leather quickly. Colt also includes that full underbarrel lug to protect the ejector rod, which adds some much-needed forward weight to help tame the muzzle flip. When you touch off a full-house .44 Magnum load in this gun, you feel that perfect mix of nostalgia and modern ballistic science. It is a beast, plain and simple. Nighthawk Custom Korth NXS. Now, let's shift gears to the ultra-premium sector. Take a look at the Nighthawk Custom Korth NXS. If you appreciate fine mechanical watches, you are going to love this. This is German engineering from the masters at Korth, brought to the States by the folks at Nighthawk Custom. The price of admission? You are looking at $5,100. But for that cash, you are getting arguably the smoothest revolver action on the planet. Chambered in .357 Magnum, the NXS features a DLC, or diamond-like carbon finish, making it incredibly tough against holster wear. That fits perfectly with a cold hammer-forged precision barrel. We are talking about grouping shots inside 2 inches at 50 yards, assuming you do your part. And here is a major upgrade. The cylinder holds 8 rounds. That gives you a 33% capacity advantage over your standard 6-shooter. With a 4-inch barrel, the balance is exceptional. Fast on the draw, but heavy enough at 44 ounces to soak up that Magnum snap. The trigger system runs on Korth's proprietary roller bearings. The single-action brake is a glass-crisp 3 pounds. The double-action pull is so smooth it feels like it is running on ball bearings. The NXS is not just a gun. It is a status symbol that can outshoot almost anything else on the line. Taurus Raging Hunter 460. Let's bring it back to raw horsepower with the Taurus Raging Hunter 460. This is not just a large handgun. This is basically a primary hunting rig that you can holster. You have got robust Brazilian steel, handling one of the flattest shooting cartridges in the game. The 460 Smith & Wesson Magnum. Retail is usually around $1,269, which is a lot of bang for the buck. Ballistically, this thing is a monster. It sends a 200-grain projectile out of that massive 10.5-inch barrel at 2,330 feet per second. That is delivering nearly 2,400 foot-pounds of energy. To give you some context, that hits harder than a .30-30 Winchester rifle, but you are firing it from a handheld package that weighs 4 pounds and 7 ounces. The cylinder is enormous, nearly 2 inches wide, and Taurus wisely ported the barrel to cut that felt recoil by about 30%. The best part is the versatility. Because of the chamber design, you can safely run 460 Smith & Wesson Magnum, 454 Castle, and 45 Colt. It is like having 3 guns in one, covering everything from plinking to taking down an elk. Colt Python. You cannot have a conversation about revolvers without mentioning the icon. The Colt Python. This is the gun that set the standard for what a combat Magnum should look like. It will run you about $1,500, but you are paying for a level of refinement that is hard to find in mass production guns. With its 6-inch barrel, it launches a 125-grain hollow point at 1,450 feet per second. That generates over 580 foot-pounds of energy. Now, on paper, that might not look as scary as the big-bore hunting cartridges. But the Python is all about the experience. That famous ventilated rib on top does more than just look cool. It dissipates heat waves to keep your sight picture clear. The action has been re-engineered, so the single action breaks cleanly at 4.5 pounds. It is perfectly balanced, dead accurate, and in a self-defense scenario, staring down the bore of a stainless Python is a serious psychological deterrent. Ruger Super Redhawk Alaskan. Next up, we are heading north. When you are hiking through the thick brush of Alaska, a firearm is not a hobby, it is life insurance. That is the philosophy behind the Ruger Super Redhawk Alaskan. This is a snub nose designed for one thing: stopping a charging predator at bad breath distance. Chambered in the Punish 454 Cassol, this rig costs about $1,569. You get a compact tank with a 2.5-inch barrel. Even with that short tube, it drives a 250 grain slug at 1,225 feet per second. That is dumping 1,466 foot-pounds of force into the target, enough to crack an engine block. The muzzle blast on this thing is absolutely ferocious. Expect a massive fireball and a concussion you can feel in your teeth. Ruger equips it with a Hogue Tamer grip to keep it from flying out of your hand, and adjustable sights just in case you need to take a precise shot. This is the sidearm of choice for guides who might have to argue with a grizzly bear at close quarters. Freedom Arms Model 83. Now, for the purists, we have the Freedom Arms Model 83. This is widely regarded as the pinnacle of single-action revolver manufacturing. The price reflects that, sitting just under $3,000 at $2,994. This is not mass-produced. This is a hand-fitted instrument built for rifle-like precision. Chambered in 454 Cassol, the Model 83 uses a 4.75-inch barrel to push a 300-grain bullet at 1,625 feet per second. We are talking 1,750 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. But the real story here is accuracy. Because of the line-bored cylinder and bank vault lockup, this gun is capable of sub-2-inch groups at 50 yards all day long. Every part is honed to perfection. It requires a shooter who knows what they are doing, but if you do your part, this revolver will outperform almost anything else on the range. It is a lifetime investment. Magnum Research BFR. Moving on to Magnum Research and the BFR. And yes, the BFR officially stands for Biggest Finest Revolver, though I have heard it called a few other names. The name fits because this gun ignores handgun conventions and goes straight for rifle ballistics. Starting around $1,300, you are getting a stainless steel anvil chambered for $4,570 government. That is a cartridge usually reserved for lever-action rifles. Out of the BFR, it slings a 405-grain slug at 1,330 feet per second. That puts roughly 1,590 foot-pounds of energy on target. Magnum Research built this frame to withstand insane pressures. It is massive, durable, and incredibly intimidating. When you pull this out at the range, people stop what they are doing. It leaves absolutely zero doubt about its capabilities. Smith & Wesson Model 500. And finally, we arrive at the undisputed heavyweight champion, the Smith & Wesson Model 500. This is not just the most powerful production revolver in the world, it is the definition of artillery in a handgun. Coming in at $1,569, this gun is all about maximum kinetic energy. It is chambered in the 500 Smith & Wesson Magnum. That sends a massive 350-grain projectile downrange at 1,975 feet per second. You are looking at a staggering 3,030 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. To put that in perspective, that is more raw power than a .30-06 Springfield rifle coming out of a handgun. Smith & Wesson had to engineer the massive X-frame just to contain the violence of this cartridge. It features a muzzle compensator to help you manage the recoil, but do not be fooled. The shockwave from this thing is legendary. If you are standing 50 feet away, you are going to feel it in your chest. Despite the recoil, it is surprisingly accurate, making it a viable tool for big game hunting if you have the wrist strength to master it. These 8 wheel guns represent the absolute ceiling of handgun engineering. They offer more than just ballistic charts and high velocities. They deliver a level of confidence and presence that you just cannot get from a polymer semi-auto. So, here's the question for you guys. If you could only put one of these hand cannons in your safe, which one are you taking home? Let me know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the breakdown, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Stay safe out there. Next time, we are going to dig into the most powerful hunting cartridges ever developed, including a few that might be technically legal, but are absolutely insane for civilian use.